How to sell digital products on Amazon. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to sell digital products on your Amazon. So do you have a novel or song that you always wanted to publish, or maybe you are a graphic artist at heart with design that would be perfect on a t-shirt? If this sounds like you, why not make your dream a reality? There is no better time to become a content creator with Amazon offers a few different ways to get your art in front of the masses. This is by selling digital product on Amazon. The best part about becoming a digital content creator on Amazon is that you don't need to have a tons of startup capital to do it. The artist drives into this category while making a lot of money if they use the right tactic and the different platform as per their requirement. So in this video, I'm going to answer all your questions and doubts regarding how you will be able to sell digital product on your Amazon account, and you can list your product and basically make some money out of it, and make not some money but make a lot of money out of it if you use the right techniques and the right platform for your art. So let's talk about what kind of digital product you can sell on Amazon. So the first platform that I have for is the kdp.amazon.com, which is basically a Kindle Direct Publishing website where you can become a Kindle Direct Publisher, where you can write your self-published print or digital books, and you can reach out to the masses and reader about the world on Amazon. So KDP provides you with the free sample tools which you can self-publish on your book in more than 10 countries and over 45 languages. And how can you become a publisher on KDP? So KDP gives you control over your book's content, design, price, audience and advertising. So you can self-publish your content easily. You can publish print and digital format in the 3 simple steps. You can see your book appear on Amazon store around the world in the 72 hours. It will take that much of time, and you can earn up to 70% royalty and offer off your ebooks on Kindle Ultimate by enrolling to the KDP Select. You can also keep control over retain ownership of your content, publish your schedule and set your own list price. So if you are interested in writing books, Amazon offers at least 3 ways to sell your books, in 2 of which are strictly digital. You can sell physical copies of the books on Amazon, or you can sell ebooks through Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is KDP, which offers 2 ways to do it. One is digital and one is print on demand. So whether you are an author or of short stories or low medium content book writer or an educational content such as a course, KDP is a great and it's a low cost option to get your book published in front of the millions of potential readers. And the next option that I have is for Amazon Merch on Demand, which is basically you can become a merger with the Amazon Merch on Demand website or the content creation side. So if you are an artist or a graphic designer with a unique piece of art, and you can upload your images to Amazon Merch on Demand and see your work on printed t-shirts and other products like mugs, bags or pillows. Like KDP and other features like TuneCore and Amazon Prints on Demand service don't require you to have or own any inventory in order to sell your products. All you have to do is to wait for an order to come through, and Amazon prints and ship the product to the consumer, and you can earn a royalty for the sale. So this is also another great tool that you can use, which is called Amazon Merch on Demand if you are an artist and you want to explore and make some money out of your arts. And the next one is the Co-Tune, which is basically you can sell your music on Amazon. So if you are a small artist who loves to sing and have some amazing collection that you would want to sell out, you can use TuneCore by Amazon, which is a great platform that you can use. There are 6 steps guide that you have to follow in order to sell your own music on Amazon. First up, you have to sign up, of course, with TuneCore account to sell your music on Amazon, and then you have to select the type of release or you want to get on Amazon. It could be single or album. And then you just have to simply upload your music and cover art to put your music on Amazon. And after that, just simply add music contributors so they get credited when your songs are sold. Then in the 5th step, sell your music on Amazon once it has been approved by TuneCore. Then view your sales and streaming reports, you can keep 100% of your revenue on TuneCore. Yeah, this is true. So this is how it basically works. Because basically for musician, Amazon's offer TuneCore, which is a part of Amazon Music. Through TuneCore, musician can upload their songs and make them instantly available for Amazon, iTunes, Spotify, Google Play, and another 150 plus stores around the world. The next platform that I have is the Amazon Developer, which is basically you can discover the future of the voice. And and if you are someone who develop games, and if you are interested in making some of the most extraordinary creating part of the technology, so you can use this particular platform and sell your creative work and the things that you have created in the past. So the Amazon App Store allows sellers to distribute their apps or games to millions of Amazon devices in over 230 countries. Your apps will be available on Amazon Fire TV, Amazon Fire Tablet, and Amazon App Stores on Windows 11. Amazon makes it simple to get started selling your own apps or games with the App Store. Just simply create a free Amazon developer account by completing the registration form. You have to fill the registration form. You can click on sign in over here, and then just simply fill in the registration form. And once your account is approved, you will have the access to Amazon's API, where you can begin publishing your apps. And the next one that I have on my list is Audible. With Audible, anyone can create and publish an audiobook on Amazon through Audible audiobook creation exchanges. It is very similar to the KDP, which I have shown you earlier, because in KDP also you just have to publish your books, and in Audible you just have to publish your audio book that you read, and you can make some money out of it. So once you upload your audiobook, it will be available to purchase and download for all the Audible consumers out there. So yeah, this is also one of the great way to earn some money. And the last but not the least is the Prime Video Direct, which is helping studios, distributors, and independent filmmaker reach out audience worldwide. So which is very flexible. Basically, Amazon Video Direct is free to use, and there is no setup or recurring charges to submit content or manage your titles through Amazon Video Direct. So if you are someone who creates and produce movies, short films, or shows, you can offer your creations on Amazon Video Direct, and it can be a great way to reach a larger audience through Prime Videos. And if you would like to make your videos available for rent or publish on Amazon Video, you just have to sign up for Amazon free Prime Video Direct account to get started. So these are the few ways through which you can sell your digital products on Amazon. There are many benefits of choosing to sell digital product versus launching physical products on Amazon, which will save you a lot of money and time and efforts. So yeah, that's how you will be able to sell digital products on Amazon. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.